Hey YouTube, this is Alexander and I'm back with another tech video. In this tech video I'm going to be doing a ROM review of Avatar ROM, which is a ROM based off of CyanogenMod 10.1 made for the Nexus S. So let's get started. Okay, so as mentioned, the Avatar ROM is based off of Android 4.2.2 because it's based off of Android or CyanogenMod 10.1. Here's all the information. You can see Avatar ROM. This is February 25th build date, February 25th, 2013. I believe this is made for the Nexus S only, possibly not the Nexus S 4G, I can't remember, but links to the ROM and the G apps will be all down there, right next to the like and subscribe button. But anyway, you can see here the theme is applied. The theme is denim, and when you first boot this ROM up, it does feel pretty smooth. It's really smooth, and as stated, it does feel the smoothest ROM, although after going through and installing a couple different themes and putting the G apps on here, it does seem to have slowed down just a little bit when pulling down the notification tray. That's not a big deal though. Everything else seems pretty snappy, and as you can see there, nice little transition when you go from home screen to home screen, which can be changed into settings, which we'll go ahead and take a look at. You go into launcher, you can see here all your settings. It's very similar to CyanogenMod 10.1, so I'm just going to glaze over these, and if you want to check out the full review, there will be a link at the end of the video. See, you have the persistent search bar. If you want to take that away, you can do so, and now you have no more persistent search bar if you don't like that. You can hide the icon labels, turn it into full screen, change the transition effect. So right now it's cube out. I can do cube in and scroll the wallpaper. So you can see now it's it kind of cubes in, it goes inward. I like the cube out. So we'll go ahead and put that back the way it was, not scroll the wallpaper. Now on the lock screen, you have all the settings. The maximize widgets, which is one I've covered before, I really enjoy. However, since the denim theme has this lock screen, this custom lock screen, it doesn't seem to be working. So when I have maximum widgets checked and I go back, you can see this is all I get. I don't actually get any access to these widgets, which is kind of unfortunate because this lock screen is kind of cool. But we can unselect or deselect that. We can have the battery status show when it's always on. Which in this case, again, it doesn't really bring up. So a lot of these, it seems like these lock screen tweaks don't really work with that particular custom theme. Here we have themes where you can download all your other themes that you'd like. You just go ahead and browse through here, go ahead and install them. So we'll go to system, and you can see it'll apply. Say it's switching to system. Give it a second. And for the most part, it switches. You still have that nice transition effect, and that's pretty nice. I do like those transition effects. So I'll go back in and show you through the settings if the lock screen stuff works. So we'll go to maximize widgets. And as you can see, now that you don't have the denim theme, the maximize widgets work. So just be cautious when applying themes that some things on the lock screen may or may not work. This is if you want to always have that lock screen maximized. Then you have slider shortcuts, of course, to get to whatever shortcut you want to get to. Applications, and we can go to Apollo if we'd like, and then hit save, and that'll save. We can also select a different background for the lock screen if you'd like to. Take a quick look at system. You have your status bar stuff here, AM, PM, battery status, show notification count for multiple notifications. You have a notification drawer to get the power widget. As you can see there, although in CyanogenMod 10.1 it's not really needed since you have all these useful toggles. Another thing though I did want to mention was the quick settings panel. You can see quick pull down, I have that off, and whenever I pull down the notification tray though, it stays there. So unfortunately I haven't been able to find a way to get it to where I can actually pull down just a notification tray. It keeps pulling down the quick settings, which isn't really what I want. If there's something here I don't have checked that I should, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll be sure to update anything if need be. You have the clock widget. Since this is based off of CyanogenMod, you get this nice widget here. You can customize everything here, as well as hardware key customization. So I hope this was sort of quick. It should have been, hopefully, because this is based off of CyanogenMod 10.1, as I said, and I just did a review of that. Let's go to About Phone for one last time. That was the ROM review of Avatar ROM. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a like, subscribe, because I will be having an Amazon gift card giveaway coming up soon. If there's anything I missed or you want to know, go ahead and leave a comment. Like I've said in previous ROM reviews, I don't do really battery life reviews until I have this guy rooted, because this is my main device. I don't use this device as my daily driver, so that's why I can't really comment on the battery life. I don't want to steer you guys wrong. If somebody does know about how many hours you get on average with medium usage, maybe heavy usage, go ahead and leave a comment, because that'll help other people. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.